Data integrity is crucial for regulatory compliance, ensuring product safety and efficacy. Compromised data can affect public health and decision-making, making it vital for us to maintain accuracy. Let's explore key regulations like FDA 21 CFR Part 11 and ISO 13485. These guidelines ensure electronic records are trustworthy and reliable, maintaining product quality and safety. Understanding ALCOA principles is essential for data integrity. ALCOA stands for attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. These principles guide us in maintaining data integrity, ensuring that every piece of data is reliable and traceable, crucial for compliance. QT9 QMS supports compliance by standardizing processes and controlling documentation. Features like audit trails and real-time monitoring help maintain data integrity. Regular audits and a strong quality culture are key. Encourage employees to report issues without fear, ensuring a proactive approach to maintaining data integrity and compliance with regulations. Implement these practices in your daily work to uphold data integrity. By doing so, you'll ensure compliance and contribute to safer, more effective products. Start today and make a difference. Still need help? QT9 is here for you. If you'd like to learn more about how quality management software can help streamline your processes, visit qt9software.com for additional resources and guidance.